Hey everyone, welcome back to Eerie Narratives. Tonight's story comes from a listener who asked to stay anonymous. He said it happened to his older brother, Alex, last October in the Great Smoky Mountains. What you're about to hear still gives me chills every single time. Alex was 32, burned out from his tech job in Atlanta, freshly divorced. He needed to disappear for a while, so he planned a 10-day solo section hike through the Smokies on the Appalachian Trail. Just him, his pack, a cheap satellite communicator, and his iPhone for pictures and quick voice memos. The first 4 days were perfect. Crisp fall air, ridge lines glowing red and gold, bears that kept their distance. Cell service came and went like it always does out there, strong on the open balds, gone completely in the deep hollows. He didn't mind. That was the whole point. On the 5th night, he camped at Spence Field, that wide, grassy bald where the wind never stops whispering. He cooked a quick meal, then recorded a short voice memo for his sister back home. "Hey, made it to Spence. Views are insane. No signal right now, but I'm good. Love you." He tried to send it, watched the bar spin forever, then saved it as a draft and went to sleep. The next morning, the sky was the color of old pewter. He packed up and headed north towards Siler's Bald. Around 11 a.m., deep in a thick tunnel of rhododendron, his phone buzzed once in his pocket. No bars showed. Still, he pulled it out. One new voice message from his own number. The timestamp read 2:47 a.m., tomorrow's date. Alex laughed at first, some kind of glitch. He tapped play anyway. His own voice came through, but it sounded wrong, hoarse, terrified, breathing hard like he'd been running for miles. "Alex, if you're hearing this, do not leave the trail. Whatever you do, stay on the white blazes. It's following me. I can hear it in the leaves even when I stop. It sounds like footsteps, but too heavy, and it's copying my breathing. I think it learned my voice. God, I'm so sorry I sent that first message. It knows you're coming." The message ended with a sharp gasp. Alex stood frozen on the trail, heart slamming in his ears. He checked the date again. Tomorrow, impossible. He told himself it was a hack, deleted the message, powered the phone completely off, and kept hiking. Faster now. By late afternoon, the sky turned full storm gray. He reached the shelter at Double Spring Gap just as the rain started hammering the tin roof. Only one other hiker was there, an older guy with a gray beard who called himself Old Man. Alex tried to joke about the weird message. Old Man stared into the fire and said quietly, "Some things on this trail don't like being recorded." That night, Alex barely slept. Around 2:30 a.m., his phone, still turned off, vibrated inside his pack. He sat up, hands shaking, and turned it on. 2 new voice messages, both from his own number. The first one, timestamped 1:12 a.m. tomorrow. "Alex, listen, it's closer now. I can see its shape when the lightning flashes. Tall, no face. Just my jacket, my exact jacket. It's wearing me. Please, if you get this, turn around. Go back to Newfound Cap. Tell them I'm not coming home." The second message, only 47 seconds later, whispered right up against the mic. "It's learning how to walk like me. It already knows my name." It just said, "Hey Alex, made it to Spence. Views are insane." In my voice, exactly like the memo I sent you yesterday. "Don't answer it if it calls you. Don't." It ended in a wet crunch, like something stepping on a branch or a bone. Alex's blood turned to ice. He checked his sent messages. The innocent memo from Spence Field had somehow gone through. Receive time, 2:51 a.m. the night before. He woke Old Man in a panic and showed him the phone. The old hiker listened, face pale in the firelight, and said only one thing. "Boy, you already answered it when you sent that first recording. Now it's got your voice too." At first light, Alex left the shelter and hiked south as fast as he could, back toward Newfound Gap. Every few minutes his phone buzzed, even with airplane mode on and no service. More messages, each one closer, each one sounding more and more like him, but not quite. The final message came in at 3:17 p.m. while he was running down the trail in pouring rain. This one wasn't panicked anymore. It was calm, almost cheerful. "Hey sis, made it back to the car. Trip was amazing. Can't wait to tell you all about it. See you soon." Alex stared at the screen. The message had already been sent, from his phone, to his sister. He never reached the parking lot. 3 days later, search and rescue found his pack neatly propped against a tree just off the trail near Spence Field. Inside was his phone, battery dead, screen cracked. The last voice memo saved on it was only 6 seconds long. It was Alex's voice, perfectly calm, recorded at 3:19 p.m. the day he vanished. "Hey, I'm right here. Come find me. I'm wearing your jacket now." To this day, Alex's sister still gets one voice message every October, always around 2:47 a.m. Same number, same voice, always the same cheerful words. "Made it to Spence. Views are insane. No signal right now, but I'm good. Love you." And every time she plays it, she swears she can hear something else in the background. Heavy footsteps, breathing in perfect sync with her brother's voice, but just a half second too slow. If you ever hike the Smokies, do yourself a favor. When your phone buzzes with no bars, don't answer it. And whatever you do, don't send that voice memo home. Thanks for listening to Eerie Narratives. Stay on the blazes, and I'll see you in the next one.